Hi guys, so if you hear the condition in my voice, I'm kind of sick, but I promised the viewers that I did this video a long time ago, and I just got the time to do it because I've been busy with school and stuff. But anyways, enough of that. I'm going to just do this tag, and it's a fashion tag, and yeah, let's go into it. Okay, let's see. First question is, well, I like fashion because it's a way to express yourself without using words or whatever. You can use your clothes. Like for me, you definitely can know how I feel because some of the time, for example, when I'm at school and I really don't want to go to school, you can see it with how I dress. I look like I just never want to look at school. When I feel kind of dark and deep and I don't know how to explain it. I'm in black, or if I feel perky, I'm in some bright color, something extra girly. Yeah, so I just love fashion because it's a way of expressing yourself as I'm in the video, and I'm all about that. Next question. My favorite type of fashion. Well, right now, I love the sheer blouses and peplum. You know, I don't have any, but I love the sheer blouses and peplum. But overall, I love simple, classic dresses. Well, if I wasn't born around this time, I'd want to be born in the 50s or the 60s, because those women wore some beautiful, simple, classy dresses. You know, like Marilyn Monroe kind of dresses. I love those. I love those kind of dresses. And it's just beautiful, and it makes a woman look like a lady. Fashion addiction. Without a doubt, my fashion addiction is shoes. I can never go in a store and see a shoe that I like and not come out with it unless I'm broke, dead ass broke, which I have been lately, so I haven't been getting any shoes. But shoes is my addiction. I love shoes. I have a stack over there. Probably put in a picture. I have a stack over there of shoes, and it's great. It's not enough for most people, for some people, but it's a lot, and it's my addiction. I love shoes. Favorite celebrity dress? Well, I don't really follow celebrity dresses or how they wear, but recently the dress that I love is that black dress that I think it was Alicia Keys wore with the slits. That was gorgeous. I just love the slits, the way her legs is out. Oh my god, that's just gorgeous. So yeah, that's it. Shoe designer. Well, I don't really have much access to designer shoes out here, but from what I can see, and if I had the money, and yeah, I would definitely love Jeffrey Campbell shoes. My favorite type of shoes is Jeffrey Campbell shoes, and it's because it's just a statement piece on its own. You can wear a simple top, and the shoes do all the talking for you. And as you all know, well, you don't, but now you know I love shoes. And apart from that, well, it's not really a designer, but Cupid shoes are nice. They're definitely comfortable and they have some nice selection. So yeah, Cupid. uh, Favorite style. Favorite fashion style. Favorite fashion style is, I don't understand that question of the camera, but it's just being simple. Simple, simplicity and classic. Classic piece is what I like. Fashion problem. Well, for me, my fashion problem is finding pants that fit around the waist and is not too tight around the thighs. I don't know why, but every time I buy pants for it to fit my size, the waist is too big. I don't know. I don't get it. But that's my fashion problem, and I really hate it because I don't really wear pants because of that. Because it's always, the waist is always too big for me. Anyways, that's it from the tag, and if I tag anybody, you'll see it down below. But thanks Miss New Jersey for tagging me. I really enjoyed this tag. Kind of fun, kind of short, but it was fun. So bye guys. Hi guys. Hope you can see me good. Yeah. So okay, so hi guys. Hi guys. I've been doing a little bit of time right now because I don't really have much work or school. Hi guys, they're just statement shoes that nobody can not take attention, can